There you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today, and just a beautiful cabin here she's got. They just set it up a few months ago. As you can see, she's got a partial wraparound porch here on the front, but here's what's really cool. Because she's close enough here to the Amish, she actually had the Amish come out and put a huge back porch on the back of her cabin. And as you can see, everybody always asks, can you put these modular cabins on top of a basement? And absolutely, you absolutely can. This one's sitting on a basement. You can see how high up this deck is. And look at her views, guys. Just beautiful. We're out here in Tennessee. And I just wanted to, that was her original home there. And she's going to be actually knocking that down. So she'll have more yard, and then this is now her primary property. So this will be knocked down, and this will be her primary property back here. It's so new, in fact, that they're still waiting to get the electrical hooked up to it. So we want to make sure we film it here before we lose light. One of the things I noticed right away that she's got here is she's got these beautiful full logs that were cut in half to make these really cool entry steps. And I think you said she got them in Michigan? Is that where you got? Michigan?
No, Murray can get them around here somewhere too.
Gotcha. So those were provided by the Amish, and so we can do those as well. And the porch is 6 foot?
This is 6 foot.
And by how long?
38, I think.
Yep. Okay. 6 foot by 38. She's relaxing there, reading her book. 6 by 38. Then you got a partial wraparound here that comes through on this side. One of the things I wanted to show you guys is when you walk in here, as you can see, just a beautiful home. Beautiful. She's got the luxury vinyl plank floors. You see all that rustic wood. Just beautiful. Okay. And you come over here. She's got a little closet. And then this is her bedroom with her own bathroom ensuite over here. Just a huge bathroom ensuite. Okay. And then what she did in hers, this accesses her huge porch on the back. She's got 2 ways to access it there, through the living room area and then through her bedroom. And look at that massive back porch with all those lovely views. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that wonderful? All right. So as you come back out here, remember we walked in through the front door over that way. So again, when you walk in through the front door, this goes into a huge open living room area. Notice the stairs over here. That is to your basement. That is to her basement. So over here, she's got her kitchen. And again, she's got the double doors here, screen doors, that again lead out to her huge back deck, okay, with her lovely views. You got to have a big deck when you have views this pretty in Tennessee, right? You got to have a big deck. So now again, she's got these doors here that lead out to the partial wraparound porch in the front. And then check this out. Again, that's your front door over there. And you come this way. Let me kind of walk in again so you guys can see the path, the flow. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay, make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement, which is partially finished. They're working on finishing it now. Remember, the home was just installed about 4 months ago, so the framing and everything is all here, but it's not completely done yet. This is where her full bathroom is going to be downstairs. Okay, you see they already got the framing up for that, and then got a little mechanical room here, and she's going to have a bedroom over here and another bedroom over here. And then this goes out, and underneath she can set this up under her deck here and have another porch area. So just a beautiful home, guys. As you can see, everybody always asks, can you put these modular cabins on top of a basement, and yes, you can. And everybody always asks, well, where are you going to put the access from upstairs to downstairs? And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door, and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed, 2-bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1-bed, 1-bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room going onto the huge deck on the back. And she's got a screen door here, as you can see, off of her bedroom here going out to the back deck. Okay. Again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay, huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so again, guys, again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1-bed, 1-bath, as you can see here, but most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2-bed, 2-bath, or a 2-bed, 1.5-bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1-bed, 1-bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs, where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful?